Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about ride with GPS cycling. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Ride with GPS is known for its strong route planning and turn-by-turn voice navigation. It has features like offline maps, elevation profiles, and syncing with Garmin or Wahoo devices. There's a free version plus a paid tier that unlocks advanced tools like cue sheets and custom route building. There's not a ton of buzz on Trustpilot, just a handful of reviews at best, so it's hard to gauge general public feedback there. Over on Reddit, some users really appreciate its detailed route planning, especially for long distance or touring rides. Others mention the app can feel a bit clunky and the navigation sometimes cuts out mid ride. It seems great for building and organizing routes, but not everyone's thrilled with the user interface or real time performance. Now, for the final verdict, Ride with GPS isn't a scam. It's a solid tool, especially for people who love planning out their routes in detail. That said, it's not perfect. If you're more into casual rides or want something super polished and fitness focused, you might want to try it out first before committing to a solid plan. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.